Good morning from Chicago, the risk management capital of the world. I'm Alan Nuckman here at the CME Group with your morning market stir for Monday, January 5th. Well, welcome back. Markets should get back to a little bit more to normal. Last week we saw some selling, some profit-taking selling. Even the S&P finished Friday down 6.5 at 2046. Low on the session was 2038 3/4. The loss for the week, a shortened holiday week with lower than normal volume, was 1.5%. Dow futures lost 29 on Friday, 17,723. The loss there for the week was 1.2%. And the Nasdaq leading the losers, down 2% on a weekly basis, which was only 4 trading days. 42.14 down 19 was the settlement on Friday. The big mover continues to be the dollar. The dollar surged, king dollar, up 73 at 91.38. That pushed the euro currency with a low on Friday at 120.07. 120.13 was a close, down 94, down here at 4-year lows in that euro currency. Bonds saw some flight to quality, up 30 ticks, almost a full point, 145.16. The high of the session was 145.30, so you're seeing some treasury buying with the markets getting a little bit more volatile. And looking at the other markets here, we had crude down 60 cents at 52.70, new lows there just above $52. The loss for the week wasn't a whole lot. It was about $2, but it did break to the downside of that channel that we've been talking about between 54 and 59. So we'll look to see where we are on a weekly basis here to end the week. And lastly, gold up $2, 11.86, still hanging in there even with that dollar surge. Gold gained $2 on the day on Friday, but lost $9 on a weekly basis, but still holding relatively well. So after the mixed action last week, where do things stand here on this Monday morning with the new trading week? We are down 5 right now at 2041 in the E-mini S&P, down 40 in the Dow futures at 17,683, and down 9.5 in the NASDAQ 100 at 42.05. The dollar continues to go, up 51 at 91.89. The high of the session was 91.99. The dollar had the best action for the year that we've seen in a decade to the upside. Euro currency down below that 120 level, busted through there. 119.19 is where it stands right now, down 94. The bond market's up a couple of ticks right now, up 9 at 145.24. Again, Friday's high was 145.30. Pressing on that, that's driving yields lower. The 30-year is at 2.68, and the 10-year note yields at 2.11 with that 2 support down below. Crude oil down another $1.20 at 51.50. Looks like it wants to test that $50 support from a psychological standpoint. And lastly is gold, up $3 at 11.89. So to wrap up the current action with 2 hours to go before the cash stock market open, we're seeing a bit of weakness, down 5 in the S&P, down 40 in the Dow, and down 9.5 in the NASDAQ 100. I will see you early Tuesday morning for your morning market stir to set up your trading day. Alan Nuckman here at the CME Group, where it all comes back to commodities.